Okay, this tutorial continue from Java variable and data types. Let's create a new project. Okay, I will create one class called variable, then explain how variable is declared in memory, then how the value is allocated to our variable. Okay, multi-line comments I will type variable. So we can create one variable called integer, int a, semicolon. We finish the statement. Actually, that means integer values, default value is 0. I will explain to you. Int a means we are using one memory space. I will use the block. Declare as a. That refers to memory location. So a equal to 10. It's the same block a. I will repeat it again. This time we have 10. So same block 10. So if you have two statements, that's what happens. Okay, default value is actually 0. If you have a second statement, you assign new value 10. Okay, it's not the same, okay? So what if we write it down in single sentence instead of two statements? It means we allocate one memory block, call it as a. We also assign the number 10 to variable a at the same time. It's a different one. The first statement has a start with default value 0. We assign 10 later one. Second statement, we declare a with default value 10. So let me quickly demonstrate to you. Okay, a equal to 0, b equal to 10. We assign a equal to 10. So if we print it out with your standard output device, system out println, a become 10. Again, double slash means single line comment. System out println, b. We also have a same value, 10. Again, both of them will print it out 10. So let me just make it clear here. That will print it out 0. So default value 0, we assign the value 10. Later 1. So if you look at line number 15, it's going to print it out 10. Same as line number 18. So integer c equal to 0. C depends on a plus b. It's going to give us 20. So if you run this program, it's going to give you 3 outputs. First output is going to be 0. Second one 10, and then third one also 10. So let me print it out one more here for C. System.out.println. I will print C. So output should be 20. Look at the last one, 20. Okay, let me go back to Paint. Here, what happened is here, first time when you declare A, you start with the default value 0, then assign number 10. What I call it as override value, or you assign new value. That is actually located in your Java virtual machine based on your Java SE or Java development kits. Java virtual machine is located in your primary memory. Okay, that's all. Thank you.